Okay, so I'm Vamsi Kumar, and in this video I will show you how to rectify the reagent expiry error in H560 machine. So H560 machine is a heme analyzer which is used for counting complete blood count, and 5 parts of white blood cells can be counted by this machine. So currently this machine showing an error code. So you can see there is a red light blinking, and come closer here. So here you can see that diluent has been expired. Now in an educational institutes, reagents can still be used even though the machine showing they are expired. The reagents can be used for the normal testing, okay, for educational purposes. So now I will show how to remove this reagent expire error in this machine. So come closer. So here you just click this error code, then you click remove error. So once you are clicking remove error, the error will be removed and it will turn into green. So green color indicates that the machine is ready for running the tests. Okay, so this in actual labs we are not supposed to do it, but this is the protocol of removing the error. Sometimes there might be some sensor issues or some other things that can result in this error code, and we can easily rectify the error by going to this option and removing the error code. So there is then I will show you how to shut down this machine. In order to shut down the machine, you need to go to this switch off button. Now you need to perform close operations. So in order to do the close operations, you need the cleaning reagent. So cleaning reagent. So there is a dedicated cleaning reagent for the machine. So there is a protocol of shutting down this machine. So now I will show how to shut down this machine. So this is the Elite H Clean reagent. So we need to do this. We need to use this reagent for the cleaning purposes. So you keep the reagent ready in your hands. Then you go for close operation. So click S for close operation. Then the machine will ask to sample the aspirated probe. So you need to give the sample to the aspirated probe like this. So once you are giving it and click this one, so it will start aspirating and it is taking the sample. So preparing for soaking. So it's doing the aspiration. So eventually after a few minutes the machine will shut down automatically, and you need not to panic during this procedure. So this is the process of shutting down the machine. Thank you very much.